The head chef brusquely instructed the kitchen staff to discard the ruined dish, its sauce having curdled into a grotesquely lumpy texture that repelled even the hungriest apprentice. Brusquely etymology, from French brusque, rough, curt, blunt, which in turn comes from Italian brusco, sharp, sour. From late Latin bruscus, butcher's broom plant, noted for its rough texture. Grotesquely etymology, root source, Italian grotesco, of a cave or in the style of cave paintings, from grotta, cave. This referred to strange ornamental designs found in ancient Roman ruins that looked otherworldly and distorted. Brusquely meaning, in a manner that is abrupt, curt, or blunt, often perceived as rude or dismissive. Grotesquely meaning, 1. In an absurdly distorted, ugly, or unnatural way, often shocking or exaggerated. 2. In a bizarre, incongruous, or outlandishly inappropriate way, sometimes darkly humorous. Brusquely in a sentence, though he brusquely dismissed her concerns during the meeting, his subsequent actions revealed that he had taken them to heart, albeit reluctantly. Grotesquely in a sentence, she laughed so grotesquely at the funeral, her voice rasping, eyes watering, shoulders shaking, that even those who knew her well could not decide whether it was grief, hysteria, or something altogether more unsettling. Synonyms: brusquely, abruptly, curtly, bluntly, sharply, snappishly, peremptorily. Grotesquely, hideously, monstrously, absurdly, bizarrely, unnaturally, freakishly, preposterously. Antonyms: brusquely, gently, politely, courteously, tactfully, smoothly, affably. Grotesquely, gracefully, beautifully, naturally, elegantly, attractively. Brusquely versus grotesquely, he brusquely turned the page of the crime scene report, his eyes narrowing at the grotesquely staged photographs that seemed more like theatrical props than evidence of a real tragedy. Thank you for watching.